I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle word on the wind that lifts her perfume through the air. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. Close my eye. She's somehow closer now. Softly smile, I know she must be kind. Then a look in her eye. She goes with me to a blossom world. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. Showing photographs of every hand he's had the pleasure to know, and all the people that come and go stop and say hello. On the corner is a banker with a motor car. The little children of it in behind his back, and the banker never wears a mask in the pouring rain. Very strange. Penny Lane is in my ears and in my eyes. There beneath the blue suburban skies I see it, and meanwhile at Penny Lane there is a fireman with an hourglass, and in his pocket is a portrait of the Queen. He likes to keep his fire engine clean. It's a clean machine. Penny Lane is in my ears and in my eyes. Full of fish and finger pies in summer. Meanwhile, back behind the shelter in the middle of the roundabout, the purring nurse is selling poppies from a tray. And though she feels as if she's in a play, she is anyway.
Rosemarie, als ik jou zie, ben ik tevreden. Hoor je mijn hart, tarara, boemdier. Niets is zo fijn, dicht bij jou te zijn. Kom op en geef me nou een zoen. Wil jou niet ruilen voor 10 miljoen. Voor mij geen kalinka,